Hi, I'm Heather, and I just wanted to say that we actually had to postpone the November course for the Polestar Pilates Comprehensive Series, and it doesn't start until this December. So it's going to start the weekend of December 8th and 9th, and I'm hoping that you can join me. If you've been debating on whether to do it or not, now's your opportunity. It's coming around again. Or if you just still were not sure and you have some questions, feel free to contact me. And actually this Thursday, we're having an open house at the studio, and you're more than welcome to bring a friend and come on by. It'll be from 5:30 to 7:30. We'll have some wine and cheese and some yummy treats, and I'll be there to answer any questions that you might have. So you'll have a chance to look at the equipment, you'll have a chance to try some of the exercises, see if it's a good fit for you. I can tell you this though, if you really have been debating and you've been wanting to do something new for yourself and for your patients, I don't think you can go wrong with the Polestar Comprehensive Training. It's amazing. You're going to feel amazing when you do the exercises, as well as see your body transform over the year. And with your clients, you're going to see a tremendous change in how you approach their treatment program and how you then cue them for movement and see some of the amazing things that they can do. So I hope you can join me this Thursday. Again, it's from 5:30 to 7:30. If you're traveling from Mesa, it's about 40 minutes. I was just there yesterday. And if you're traveling from South Scottsdale, it's about 30 minutes. And from North Scottsdale, it's about 10-15 minutes. We're in the Arrowhead community, so we're just off the 51st Avenue exit and the 101. So it is not too far from everybody. So hope you can make it, and I'll see you soon.